The trees are alive with the sound of birds singing. I'm Laurel Guy. This is 52 Turkey Hill Road. Here, you can live in nature and still just be 5 minutes to Cornell. Downtown Ithaca is just 10 minutes away. This spacious home has a one-bedroom apartment and your own backyard bird sanctuary. Has a treehouse feeling, and you'll love the convenience, both the proximity and privacy of living on almost 2 acres of land with meadows and woods and trails that connect you with the Cornell Botanical Gardens and nearby rail trails. The birds you're listening to right now, I recorded at 52 Turkey Hill Road, and they'll serenade you on a daily basis here. The great room, the living room, and the kitchen have incredible morning and afternoon light. And the updated kitchen opens to the breakfast room and the deck, which will be your absolute favorite place to be. The office is a great place to work, and it opens to a 3-season porch, which is destined to become another favorite spot. Upstairs are 3 good-sized bedrooms and a tile bath. There's a lower level apartment with a separate entrance, separate utilities, a private deck. This will be great for multi-generational families, or rent it and offset your taxes. You've been looking for a place away from the hustle and bustle where you and your family can reconnect with each other and the world around you. 52 Turkey Hill Road just might be the one.